Can I actually find all these World War II weapon maps before they're gone? You might have heard of the term World War II weapon maps, but do you know what they are and how they're used? Essentially, these maps show the locations of unexploded ordnance and other World War II-era weapons that still pose a threat today. I'm going to take you through how these maps are created and what they reveal about the lingering impact of World War II. Millions of tons of explosives were dropped or fired during World War II, but not all of them detonated. Unexploded ordnance, or UXO, remains a huge problem. These hidden weapons can be triggered by simple movements, posing a constant threat to people and the environment. Even decades after the war ended, communities around the world are still dealing with the aftermath. The risks are very real. Innocent people, including children, have lost their lives stepping on a bomb or shell. Unexploded ordnance can also leak toxic chemicals into the soil and water, contaminating entire ecosystems. The environmental damage can be just as devastating as the human toll. It's estimated that there are still hundreds of thousands of unexploded bombs scattered across Europe alone. In some areas, entire neighborhoods were built around these hidden dangers, with no idea of what lay beneath their feet. Farmers working in fields or construction workers digging foundations can unknowingly disturb these deadly relics. That's why creating detailed maps of where these weapons are located is such a crucial task. The challenge is enormous, but there are people working hard to map and clear these threats. From soldiers to civilians, teams are on the ground using advanced technology to locate and neutralize these dangers. There are several types of weapon maps used today. Historical battle plans show where troops moved and fought, while modern-day UXO clearance maps highlight areas that still need to be secured. Digital recreations use satellite imagery and ground-penetrating radar to pinpoint the locations of unexploded ordnance. These maps are essential tools in the effort to clear the world of World War II's leftover dangers. For example, some maps show the exact locations of old artillery batteries or downed aircraft. Others reveal large caches of unexploded bombs and shells. In urban areas, maps might highlight specific buildings or streets where UXO has been found. Advanced technology is now being used to create incredibly detailed maps. Drones equipped with ground-penetrating radar can scan large areas quickly and accurately. This allows teams to clear UXO much more efficiently than before. One particularly striking map shows a high concentration of unexploded ordnance in an urban area. You can see exactly where the dangers are, and how close they are to populated areas. The level of detail is astounding. The scale of the World War II weapon problem is staggering. Millions of unexploded bombs and shells still threaten communities worldwide. But through mapping efforts, we're getting closer to neutralizing these dangers. If you're interested in seeing more of these maps or have any surprising facts to share, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more historical and investigative content.